Hi guys, today I'll be making Zobo, and while making Zobo, these are some of the ingredients we need: ginger, the Zobo leaf, cloves, pineapple, and sweetener, optional though. So guys, the reason why I chose to start making Zobo at home is because sometimes out there when you buy Zobo, yes, it's sold pretty cheap, but sometimes you just get the desired taste that you want, So guys, we'll get right into making the Zobo right now. So you guys just watch and see how the process goes. I'm about cutting the pineapple for the Zobo. Using a pineapple is optional. You can choose not to use pineapple. And then some people, they go to the market from all this aboki that sells pineapple and just get the back of the pineapple. But I feel it's better when making this that you add a bit of the pineapple actually to it, so that it's not just the back, so it can give it more flavor that way. The next step I'm going to do now is to pound the ginger, pardon me. So this ginger is less than, I think I got it for 15 naira, 100 naira. This all costing is less than 1,000 naira. So it's something you can actually make, for your family. It's not so expensive. It's something you can just choose on a weekend and just, make for your family and then serve. Put in your your fridge and then serve. I'm going to pound my washed ginger right now. It has been washed neatly, so I'm going to pound it. So the reason why I'm actually pounding this is so that I can, if I don't pound it, the juice in the ginger will not come out properly. So I'm pounding it so I can get the juice from the ginger. I've washed my hibiscus leaf. That's another name for, I've been calling it Zobo. So in case those that want to look for it in Obodo Yibo, because in Nigeria you'll call it Zobo. So I've washed the hibiscus leaf right now, and I'm just going to put it in a pot. So guys, if you noticed, I used a bigger pot. The reason why I'm using a big pot is so that I can get lots of juice or the leaves water. So right now I'm going to add water to it. So you can add water as much as you want. Okay, so I'm not okay with this one. I'm going to add some more. So right now I'm going to put it on fire. I'm about adding the cloves to it now. I've waited for like 10 minutes and now I'm adding the cloves to it. So I'm going to stir it after adding the cloves. So guys, I'm sure if you noticed in the video, I used a smaller leaves of the Zobo. This portion of the leaf is like the broken particles that falls off the bigger chunk of the leaf. I prefer to use this one because this one I feel it gives me more juice than using those bigger chunk of leaf. It makes it thick and rich. So guys, as you can see, it's boiling. It has boiled for almost 30 minutes. So I'm just going to put it down for it to cool off and sieve. This is the finished result of my Zobo drink. Also, to add a little spice, I took out some of the pineapple. You could use apples, but I took out some of the pineapples and I'm going to add it into also, one of the benefits of this Zobo is without sweetener. I already added sweetener to my own, but without sweetener, if you are hypertensive, you could actually take this Zobo drink, but not excess of it. Just, you have a quantity that you take maybe daily or so. So this Zobo drink is really nice, and I advise every mom to make a Zobo drink in their house. So guys, see you next time on Cook with Cesar. Bye guys.